Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you how to do a dumbbell stepping lunge. This will be an easy tutorial and also a full exercise tutorial, so let's get right into the video. Now, lunges are an amazing exercise that I believe that everyone should do on a semi-weekly basis. So twice a week you should probably do lunges, if not weekly, okay? They're great for overall exercising your overall body. Lunges, squats, deadlifts, all of that stuff. You gotta do all of those bigger exercises. But how do you step up your lunges when you've had enough of just your regular body weight lunges? When you have your tree trunk legs, you're like, listen, I need to step it up, I need some weight. Well, that's when you use the dumbbell stepping lunges. Sorry, I have something caught in my tooth, but I don't want to pick it right now. So you use the dumbbell stepping lunges where you get dumbbells and you add on some weight to your lunges. Now, believe it or not, 5 or 10 pounds can make the world of a difference. I know you're thinking, oh, these look light, but when you incorporate them into a lunge, the force of the extra weight makes a massive difference. So what you want to do is get 2 dumbbells. You need 2 because you need to be balanced. You don't want to only have 1. Obviously get 2 dumbbells of the same weight. These are just 5-pound dumbbells that I have in the basement right here. Now you're going to do your lunge, and obviously when you do your lunge, you're regularly going to do your lunge. Keep your feet pointed straight, your knees pointed straight, lean forward like that, go back, just like that. You can alternate side to side, just like that, Go on the ball of your foot with your rear foot like that. But what you want to do is grab your dumbbells, and you want to do the lunge with the dumbbells in your hand. Now, like I said, these are only 5-pound dumbbells, but they make the world of a difference, and I'll tell you why. Because they're bringing the force forward, so they're not only 5 pounds. When I lunge forward and the dumbbells go forward with me, they're more like 8 or 10 pounds of pulling force because of the momentum. So be careful, don't get weights that are too heavy. Now, what you want to do is make sure your dumbbells stay by your side, and essentially as you go forward, you want the dumbbells to sort of follow your chest. You're not holding them stiff like this. You're sort of allowing them to swing forward a little bit, to swing back a little bit. So you can see right here, they swing forward and back. Okay? So you're keeping control of them. They're not swinging like this. You're keeping control of them. But essentially, you're allowing them to guide the movement, as you can see right there. So you can see they're helping to guide the movement, which allows you to have a much more flowy exercise. We don't want to be stiff like this. This is not what we're doing. Nothing like that. That's okay in some situations, but I don't believe that's the best version of the stepping dumbbell lunge that you can get in terms of workout. So you want to let them go forward a little bit and then back, just like that. Like I said, and make sure you're balanced. If you haven't mastered the basic lunge, then definitely don't try and do this yet. You want to take some time to master your basic lunge, because when you master the basic lunge, then you can incorporate these. Master your form without the dumbbells, without any weight. Yes, that was just my knee cracking right there. That sound that you heard. Master the form without any dumbbells, without any weight. Then you can incorporate some weight, and you don't even need dumbbells. You can get a couple cans of beans, right, or corn, and hold them to the side. Anything that you can hold that is equally weighted on both arms is fantastic. So you don't even need dumbbells, you just need something that you can hold that has an equal amount of weight on either side. But that's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.